Hey everyone, welcome to MorningSpace Studio. In this video, I'm gonna introduce my new open source project called the Docker Registry CLI. Let's copy more images to the registry. Registry CP can copy multiple images at a time. Just append the images after the command and separate them by space. This will copy both Docker Registry CLI and Elasticsearch images to mr.io. Apply the same pattern to Registry LS. We can list tags for multiple images. Of course, you can use LD and LM options to list digests and manifests for these images. Also, Registry CP can support to read from configuration files. We can use the registry name as the file name and .list as the extension name. Then, add the name of each image that you want to copy to the file, one image per line, and then run the regclicp and specify the registry name. It will find the corresponding .list file in current folder by using the registry name, and then read the images from the file one by one, then copy them to the target registry. There are some examples distributed with the CLI on the GitHub repo at the folder /sample/registries. Let's take MorningSpace.list as example. It includes some images where the names are all started with MorningSpace. These images are all from Docker Hub. In this folder, let's run regclicp. That will copy all these images from Docker Hub to mr.io. Moreover, the list files can be nested. For example, let's check all.list. It has two entries, where each one references the corresponding .list file stored in the same folder. They are morningspace.list and kubernetes.gcr.io.list. Let's run the regclicp for all. Okay, it's finished. Let's run regcli to list the catalog of MR.io. You see that images that are configured in the to.list files are all copied to MR.io. Again, we can use regcli with multiple images to list tags for these images. And use LD and LM options to list digests and manifests. We can even apply these options to the whole registry to list all images, their tags, digests, and manifests. For example, let's use LT option to list tags for all images and append less, as it may be too tedious to read a whole bunch of these contents. So, as you can see, we only have two commands and just a few options, but they can be combined in many different ways to do a lot of things. Now let's remove some images from the registry. We can run regcli to remove just one tag for an image. Input Y to confirm. Then the tag is removed. Also, we can remove multiple tags for the same image in one line. If there's no tag appended, it will remove all tags for that image. And if you want to enforce the removal, you can use the -F option. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, please share it. I would appreciate it. This is MorningSpace Studio. See you next time.